We're on the Oasis of the Seas. And this is room 7676. It's a balcony. And I'll give you a quick room tour. Oasis of the Seas was built in 2011, so they don't have the digital thermometers like the newer ones just yet. You got the master switch here. This is for inside the bathroom and the main room. Pretty decent size bathroom compared to most ships. Removable shower head, soap. It's a 2-in-1 dispenser, couple hooks, and plenty of storage space over there in the cubby area. And then you come out here, and there's the TV and lighted mirror and refrigerator. Well, it's a cooler. If you prop it open, you'll get a little bit, well, you can't prop this one open unless you take that strap off. That'll come out. But some ships, it won't stay, the fan in there circulates and it gets too hot. And nice little sitting area, a safe, and plenty of storage for your clothing. Plenty of hangers in there. I don't have any of my stuff hung up yet. My bag will go in there, or sometimes you can store it under the bed. TV will show you all your information on your account, and then you can do the tutorial for the safety briefing. And G3 is in the Aqua Theater for your safety briefing. That should be the same on every cruise. And we're still at port in Miami right now. This is the balcony. You gotta make sure the door stays shut, otherwise your AC turns off. Here is the view out the window. There's still people getting on the ship. About 2 p.m. We just got in our rooms. Some storage over here. There's also a light switch for the nightlight next to the bed. This is a king bed. You can split it into two. They'll do that for you if you have 2 different parties in the room. Sometimes they'll have a fold-out bed in the couch, but not this one. It'll be a different room, and it'll be a slightly bigger room, I believe. So overall, it's not too bad. This pivots to where you can watch TV in bed if you want. I don't usually watch too much TV. And that is it. Thanks for watching. I will be on the Adventure of the Seas on December 5th, 2021. If you want to keep watching, I will do videos of the Bionic Bar, Boardwalk, some of the shows. Hero, I think, is on here. And I think there's ice skating shows, and then I did a walkthrough of the casino as well. Thanks for watching.